Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome to my YouTube channel Pro Legal PK. Creating a YouTube channel needs some legal considerations. I will tell you some of the key points that need to be aware of. Number 1. Age requirement. You must be at least 13 years old to make a Google account as per the YouTube's and Google terms of service. Content copyright. Try to make your own videos and your own content and stop using the copied content without the permission of its real owner. This includes music, images and videos. Use content that you have the rights to or content that falls under fair use. Community guidelines. You need to understand the YouTube's community guidelines to understand that what content is allowed and what content is not allowed. Privacy laws. Respect privacy while recording or sharing the YouTube videos online that involves with yourself and with other people. And if you are going to share somebody else's video, you must get his consent as well. Monetization. If you plan to monetize your channel, you'll need to comply with YouTube's partners program policies and meet the eligibility requirements. Music licensing. Ensure you have the appropriate licenses for any music used in your videos to avoid copyright issues. Next point is very important. Child online privacy protection. Child online privacy protection must be ensured. If your content is directed towards children, understand child online privacy protection regulations as there are specific rules for such content. Avoid using trademarks, emblems and logos that you do not have the permission to use. Content ownership. Be aware that YouTube's terms of service grant them certain rights to use and distribute your content. Taxes. Depending on your location and income, you may need to report your earnings from YouTube as income for tax purposes. Harassment and bullying. You need to put a full stop to encourage harassment, bullying and disturbing anyone with your harsh words, hate speech and things like that. Defamation. Be cautious before making a defamatory remarks to any person, company or anybody because that could give you a hard time. These were some of the key points that you need to consider before making a YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much for coming to our channel. Keep watching Pro Legal PK.